Hi, Laura Handke here, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn celebrating how some of my contacts here are using their voices in the world. And today I wanted to talk about Nick Thorne with Edward Jones, the financial advisement company. Now, Nick and I both live here in the Portland area, but so far I only know him because of LinkedIn, because after all, we do share this city with 650,000 other people. Nick says about himself, "I am a proud Oregonian, born and raised just outside of Portland, and in my family, we were raised with a few simple values that I still live by daily. If you are early, you are on time. If you are on time, you're late. Above and beyond should be your benchmark. You are only as good as your word." Nick was a career swimmer from a very young age, going ultimately so far as to be honored as National All-American. He says, "Family is everything to me." And he feels that through his work with Edward Jones, he can have a positive impact on his community and give back as much as possible. Now, Nick and I both enjoy being able to set our own schedules, to have some flexibility, and to help people in a way that is meaningful to us rather than following rules that somebody else has set. Now, while I have not yet, again, met Nick in person, through our conversations here on LinkedIn, I have formed a trustful opinion of him. And I say if you need somebody to partner with to realize your financial goals, even if you don't have a lot of money set aside to invest, check out Nick Thorne, Edward Jones Financial Advisor. Thanks for listening to this video. Again, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. And if you want a more powerful and effective voice and increased vocal longevity, check me out at laurahandke.com, or you can find me right here on LinkedIn.